Hello everyone. Based on the latest regional adjustment announced by the Johor State Government starting from 2025, the area previously known as Johor Bahru City Centre will be renamed as the Ibrahim International Business District (IIBD), with the postal code changing from 8000 to 8088. Come, let me show you our company. Our company, FOZI Corporate Service Malaysia Sdn Bhd, located on level 23 of Menara Komtar. We also update its address from Suite 1, level 23, Menara Komtar, Johor Bahru City Centre, 80000, Johor Bahru, Johor, Malaysia, to Suite 1, level 23, Menara Komtar, 80888, Ibrahim International Business District, Johor Darul Takzim, Malaysia. If you'd like to learn more about company registration or setting up a factory in Malaysia, feel free to visit us on level 23 Menara Komtar. We are here to assist you. Together, we create social value. Bye-bye.